Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and 24-hour display, so military time, on your Casio AE-1200WH, the Casio Royale. As you can see here on our home screen, I have 2029. You might see 8 p.m. So in case you want to switch to the 12-hour display or to the 24-hour display as seen here, all you need to do is to press and hold the adjust button. Here we are going to arrive at the settings of time, date, and so on. We are going to use the mode button to toggle between the different options. So the first were the seconds, now we have the DST. If I press it once again, we have the home city, then we have the hours, the minutes, and then we have, as you can see here, 24H. So this signals the fact that I am in the 24-hour display. If I want to switch to the 12-hour display, I'm going to press the search button, and as you can see, I'm going to switch to the 12-hour display. Now we see here 12H, and here we see 8 p.m. I prefer the 24-hour display, so I'm going to press it once again, and I'm going to leave it just like this. In case you want to set anything else, you can continue to press the mode button to set the date, the light functions, and then it is going to cycle back. In order to end the process, we are going to press the adjust button, and voila, we have the 24-hour display. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the settings and all the features of the Casio AE-1200WH, so also how to use the world time function, the alarm, the timer, the stopwatch, I will leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. If you enjoyed this video guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, enjoy your watch, and I will see you on the next one.